Hello everyone, today I'm going to tell you about DDoS, attack and its defense. DDoS is distributed denial of services and I am Gopal Anand from India. There's a warning for you all. We are going to discuss DDoS attacks, types of DDoS attack, impact, history, then see practical demonstration, statistics and some prevention mechanism. Here, what is DDoS attack? You can read it all. So what happens? There is the attacker. He uses a controller to infect many computers. Then these computers act as zombies to attack victim and ask the victim to provide them data at the same time. So what happens that every website or web server has its capacity to send or receive data. When many computers ask the server to provide data at the same time, the server gets flooded, and we are going to flood the victim's server to stop them providing services, and this is what we call DDoS. DDoS is distributed because the zombies are distributed all over the world, and those computers are used to attack a single victim at a time. There are types of DDoS attack. We are going to discuss the protocol DDoS attacks. Here are some statistics. An average cost of DDoS attack is 40,000 per hour. The first attack was shown by Khan C. Smith during the DEF CON event in 1998. And here we are going to see the demonstration. So in the first demonstration, we are going to use the ping of death technique. So let's try it on my own website, that is pickyourtrick.net, and I will ping it till the time I want to stop the site. So here we can see I am pinging it with 32 bytes of data, and the TTL, that is time to live, for the data packets is 51 milliseconds. So this will be going on. At the same time I'm making a batch file. Let's edit it. Here the title of batch file is ddos let's attack. So the same thing, ping pickyourtrick.net /t is the time period till I want to stop the attack. L is the size of packets. So here the size is 65,000 bytes. I am firstly using 20,000 bytes. Okay, let's save it and then let's run the attack. Running it multiple times, uh, and then we will see what is the effect of these commands. See, you can see here the site is a timeout. That means it's not able to provide the data packets, the real data packets. So I'm closing these one by one. My network connection is quite slow, so you can't see the changes, but here you can see the changes. The data bytes, when I opened the many tabs, it was like from 200, 200, 200 to 20,000. Now again you can see I closed some of the tags, so it's changed. It came from 32 time 72 milliseconds, 3000 milliseconds, 200 milliseconds. Now I'm closing the last attack that was pinging my website. So you can see now the time again came from 2000 or 1000 to 200 milliseconds. That was an average. So this is ping of width, where I am flooding the bandwidth of my website. Okay, so now we are going to use another tool that is called ddos tool. Here the ddos tool, you can download this tool from anywhere. So for this I need to know the IP address of any web server. So I will find the IP address of my website using ping command. So I got my IP address, that is 103.230.85.36, and as default the port is the address where the server actually works, is by default for almost every computer it's 80. So I am inserting these values. Now it was asking the port number. For my website it's not available, so I'm using the port by default 80. So here you can see it's connected. Now opening my website again. Okay, it's here. Let's open. Now you can see the site is opening right now. Here it's available. I will upload the video here after making this tutorial. So it's working. Let's send another attack and port 80. Still, let's see, it's connected. Let's again use an tool. The site is still connected. Actually, what happens? DDoS means distributed denial of services. So the attack is done from many users all over the world. So for a single user like me, I need to run many of the tools at the same time to make the attack. Let's attack again. Come on, webs. One more. Let's see. Oh, oh. Still connected. Let's one more attack. And port number 80. Come on. Still connected. Ha. Well, I think the site is slow down. Oh, come on. Okay, the site is not available right now. You can see here the site was DDoSed. Until the moment I want, I can make the site enable for users. You can see there's no sending or receiving of data. For this moment of time, the site was not available. So I'm closing the attacks and let's refresh my website. Now it's available. So you can see This was the result of our DDoS attack. So here it's the statics. You can see the CPU uses of my website that was normal, but when I made the attack, the physical uses you can see increased rapidly, and it was the limit. When it crossed the limit, the site was not available. Then I disconnected the attack. So site again became available. Then again I made the attack, but site was available. So you can see the entry process. The time when I made the tag, it was raised. The processes were raised false. You can see for the time there was a tag, the fault also increased. So this is the statics of the website, and actually it works. Now prevention mechanism on many sites you can see the RPAC prevention mechanism. Like here we have seen a website binarycodes.com. It is using DDoS prevention mechanism by Cloudflare. Now sometimes we can see the reports here. Uh, for the time it crossed the limit, the server identified that okay, there is some suspicious activities going on. So it disconnected the IP address from which it was getting the attack packets. So the site again came normal, like here. Then again we made the attack, site goes up, users goes up, and then again the server identified and tried to fix it. So the conclusion is that we can't prevent DDoS attacks until all the internet users can join together to work. So hope you enjoyed the uh, let's stay connected. You will have fun with us, getting some new knowledge about things. That's it from my side. Thank you.